The new power. Is renewable energy better than coal? How can nuclear power replace coal in the transition to clean energy? For centuries, coal has been a key to the industrial revolution around the world. It is also the main cause of climate change. Coal burning is responsible for more than 40% of global carbon emissions and more than 75% of emissions from electricity generation. What is the transition to clean energy? Moving to clean energy means moving energy production away from sources that emit a lot of greenhouse gases, and toward those that emit little or no greenhouse gases. The challenge for the transition to clean energy is eliminate the use of fossil fuels, while at the same time increasing the volume of low-carbon sources of renewable energy, such as hydro, solar and wind energy, as well as nuclear power. Coal remains the world's largest source of electricity, and is a major source of energy for industry, including steel making and heating. Both coal power plants and nuclear power plants produce heat for the purpose of generating steam that drives electricity generating turbines. Although coal provides more than a third of the world's electricity generation, nuclear energy is able to fill the vacuum that will result from closing coal power plants. Nuclear power can play a major role in this context also beyond electricity production, as it can provide heat used in industrial processing, water desalination, and hydrogen production. As the world turns away from coal, the societies that once relied on coal for their economic prosperity must be looked at. The International Atomic Energy Agency promotes sustainable nuclear energy development. The IAEA provides a technical and economic assessment of the contribution of nuclear power to climate change mitigation. The IAEA cooperates with other international organizations, such as the International Energy Agency and the World Association of Nuclear Operators, to support activities involving nuclear power and the transition to clean energy.